trek through a scenic vista of the Himalaya in search for the divine. Every year, millions of devotees undertake the arduous trek towards these tough-to-reach religious sites, pushed on by sheer grit and faith. Distance and hardship are not a hindrance for these devotees, egged on by the power of faith. Some of the hardest religious sites to reach are Amarnath, Mansarovar, Nanda Devi, Kedarnath, and Yamunotri. The Mani Mahesh Yatra is one more such pilgrimage. Pilgrims start their journey from Hadsar on foot to cover a distance of 14 kilometers to Mani Mahesh Lake in the Bandhil Valley. If you are wondering where exactly this valley is, it is situated in Himachal Pradesh, a hill state in North India. The ethereal view of the Himalaya, the cool mountain breeze, and the lush cultivation of hill crops would captivate any tourist. Himachal has its own distinct and impressive traditions, festivals, and culture. It is also home to many religious sites, one of which is the Mani Mahesh Lake. This religious trek is set for about 15 days after the festival of Janmashtami, which usually falls during the Hindu month of Shravan or the months of August or September. The Mani Mahesh Yatra is one of the toughest and most stunningly beautiful treks. The pilgrims walk enthusiastically along the rocky mountain paths, singing hymns and chanting prayers to Lord Shiva. The whole trek towards the lake is a wonderful experience, but the destination that lies at the end of the trek is really what pushes the hundreds of devotees along. Once the pilgrims reach the destination, all the pains of the tiring trek are instantly forgotten. The enchanting shallow circular lake, flanked on all sides by beautiful natural landscapes, and the fascinating ambience serve as a soothing salve to tired bodies. The beauty of this place is further enhanced by the rugged presence of the Mani Mahesh Kailash peak, which stands high, close to the lake. There is an ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva at the lake. Thousands of pilgrims visit the temple every year to seek the blessings of Lord Shiva. The holy water of the Mani Mahesh Lake is considered sacred, and it is believed that a dip in the lake cleanses the human body of all earthly diseases and sins. It is a breathtaking view just as the first rays of the sun touch the tip of the Mani Mahesh Kailash peak. Whoever gets to witness this is blessed for sure. The peak glows like a diamond, and hence the name Mani Mahesh. Mani, which means gem, and Mahesh, which is of course another name for Lord Shiva. The holy site of Mani Mahesh is supported by the government of Himachal Pradesh and the Mani Mahesh Pilgrimage Committee. A helicopter service is also available for Mani Mahesh Lake. Those who want to take a flight can book their tickets in advance. When pilgrims feel too exhausted or tired to walk, they can also hire ponies. The path may be tough, every step rocky. But if it is what brings one closer to one's God and strengthens one's faith, many, as we can see, are willing to take up the challenge.